Hello my friends, Dave Schramm here of ShrammGuitars.com, and today I'm going to show you how I install the Rodgers tuning machines in one of my flamenco guitars. Let's go check it out. So my first step is to take this Reamer and remount the holes here. This clears out any of the finish that's in there. And you just twist it like that. This one I believe is 13/32. So I do that on all 6 holes. Use the Reamer. Now after using the Reamer on these holes, my next step is I take the tuner, put it in the holes here. And now I'm going to mark the holes for drilling the mounting screws in. And I take these centering punches here, which allows me to, it'll self-center itself as I stick this down in the hole here. So I'm just gonna put that in there. Centers itself in that hole because of the bevel. And there we go. Take these out. I now have my marking for now. I can pre-drill the holes for the mounting screws. I'm going to take my 1.2 millimeter drill bit. I put it in this pin vise, and now I'm going to do this by hand. Put it in the hole that I started, or the mark that the punch did, and I'm going to do this for all the mounting holes. So the tape's on there so I know the depth. Doesn't take long to do this with the pin vise here. There, we got my 1, 2, 3, 4 holes. And I flip this over. Make sure you don't go all the way through the head. So by the time I would have got my drill and everything out, my hand drill, and set it up, I'd have these already done. There we go. Now the mounting holes are all drilled. Now next step is to mount the tuner. It's time to mount the tuner. Put your tuner in there. Make sure the gear is forward, okay, from the tuning knobs. The gear is forward here. Double check your holes. And so now I'm going to take the screw and just very carefully screw these in. There we go. Don't be in a hurry because you don't want to slip and scratch your tuner. last one. There we go. All mounted on there. Now I'll do the other side. There we go. Everything lines up. There's number one. Here's number two. Number three. And number four. Looks like I got 2 extra screws. All right. There we go. That's how I mount my Rodgers tuners. Here's a nice little close-up. Looks like a black mother of pearl tuning knobs. It's gonna look really good on this guitar. So there you have it. That's how I mount the Rodgers tuning machines. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it helps you if you're mounting any type of tuning machine on your fine handmade classical guitars. This one happens to be a flamenco guitar. Brazilian rosewood back and sides. All right, have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.